Hi, in this video we will be talking about the nurturing the distance. Watch this video to the end to explore strategies and practices to nurture the bond between partners, ensuring that physical separation does not diminish emotional closeness. Welcome back to Relationship Facts. Long-distance relationships, LDRs, can be both a testament to love's endurance and a challenge to its strength. The modern world has made geographical separation more common than ever before, whether due to career opportunities, educational pursuits, or other commitments. While the distance may seem daunting, maintaining a fulfilling and thriving relationship across miles is entirely achievable with commitment, communication, and creativity. In this guide, we will explore strategies and practices to nurture the bond between partners, ensuring that physical separation does not diminish emotional closeness. Establishing clear communication channels. Effective communication serves as the cornerstone of any successful relationship, and in long-distance relationships, it becomes even more vital. Agree upon preferred communication methods that accommodate both partners' schedules and time zones. Regularly scheduled calls, video chats, and messaging can help bridge the physical gap and maintain emotional intimacy. Utilize technology such as video calls, voice messages, and social media platforms to stay connected throughout the day. Cultivating trust and transparency. Trust is the bedrock of any relationship, but it becomes indispensable in long-distance dynamics where partners cannot monitor each other's actions closely. Be open and honest about feelings, concerns, and expectations. Avoid unnecessary jealousy or suspicion by fostering trust through transparency. Discuss boundaries and expectations regarding social interactions and friendships to ensure mutual understanding and comfort. Prioritizing quality time. Despite the physical distance, finding ways to spend quality time together is crucial for maintaining intimacy and strengthening the bond. Plan virtual dates or activities such as watching movies simultaneously, playing online games, or cooking together via video call. Surprise each other with thoughtful gestures, letters, or care packages to demonstrate love and affection. Make the most of visits by planning meaningful experiences and creating lasting memories together. Navigating challenges and conflict resolution. Every relationship encounters challenges, but distance can exacerbate communication issues and misunderstandings. Approach conflicts with empathy, patience, and a willingness to understand each other's perspectives. Practice active listening and validate each other's feelings to foster mutual understanding and resolution. Seek compromises and solutions collaboratively, focusing on maintaining harmony and strengthening the relationship. Building individual growth and independence. While being apart, prioritize personal growth, hobbies, and self-care to maintain a sense of fulfillment and independence. Encourage and support each other's ambitions and celebrate accomplishments, fostering a sense of pride and admiration. Maintain a healthy balance between couple time and personal space to prevent feelings of suffocation or dependence. Cultivating emotional connection and intimacy. Emotional intimacy is just as vital as physical closeness in sustaining a fulfilling relationship. Share your thoughts, dreams, and fears openly, allowing vulnerability to deepen emotional connection. Engage in meaningful conversations that stimulate intellectual, emotional, and spiritual connection. Express affection through words, gestures, and small acts of kindness to reaffirm love and commitment regularly. Managing expectations and realistic planning. Acknowledge the challenges of long-distance relationships while maintaining optimism and realistic expectations. Discuss long-term goals, timelines, and plans for eventually closing the distance. Stay flexible and adaptable to changes in circumstances, understanding that plans may need adjustments over time. Focus on enjoying the journey together, embracing the present moment, and cherishing the love shared despite the distance. In the first part of this guide, we explored essential strategies for maintaining a healthy and fulfilling long-distance relationship. Now, let's delve deeper into additional aspects that contribute to the strength and resilience of partnerships across miles. From managing expectations to fostering intimacy and navigating cultural differences, these practices can further enrich the connection between partners and pave the way for a lasting and meaningful relationship. Embracing independence and autonomy. Encourage each other to pursue individual interests, hobbies, and social activities to maintain a sense of self-fulfillment. Avoid excessive clinginess or possessiveness, allowing space for personal growth and development. Managing time zones and schedules. Time zone differences can pose logistical challenges in long-distance relationships, requiring creative solutions and flexibility. Establish clear communication regarding each other's schedules, including work commitments, leisure time, and sleep patterns. Find overlapping windows of availability for regular communication and connection. Use tools such as world clocks, scheduling apps, and shared calendars to coordinate activities and stay synchronized across time zones. Leveraging technology wisely. Technology plays a pivotal role in bridging the physical gap between partners in long-distance relationships. Stay informed about the latest communication tools and platforms to optimize virtual interactions. Explore innovative ways to connect, such as virtual reality experiences, online multiplayer games, or collaborative projects. Balance virtual communication with offline activities to prevent over-reliance on technology and maintain authenticity in the relationship. Nurturing physical intimacy. While physical proximity may be limited in long-distance relationships, finding ways to nurture physical intimacy is essential for maintaining a strong bond. Explore creative ways to express affection, such as sending intimate photos, writing love letters, or sharing sensual fantasies. Plan future visits with anticipation, savoring the anticipation and excitement of reuniting. Prioritize physical intimacy during visits, dedicating time for intimate moments and shared experiences to reignite passion and connection. Managing financial considerations. Long-distance relationships often entail additional expenses associated with travel, communication, and maintaining connection. Discuss financial responsibilities openly and establish clear agreements regarding shared expenses, visitation costs, and financial support. Budget wisely to ensure that financial concerns do not become a source of stress or conflict in the relationship. Explore cost-effective ways to stay connected, such as utilizing free communication apps or planning budget-friendly visits and activities. Navigating cultural differences. Cultural diversity can enrich the dynamics of a long-distance relationship but may also present challenges in terms of communication, values, and expectations. Embrace curiosity and openness towards each other's cultural backgrounds, traditions, and beliefs. Discuss cultural differences openly, seeking to understand and respect each other's perspectives and customs. Find common ground and celebrate cultural diversity as a source of enrichment and learning within the relationship. Seeking support and community. Maintaining a long-distance relationship can feel isolating at times, but seeking support from friends, family, and online communities can provide valuable encouragement and perspective. Surround yourselves with a supportive network of individuals who understand and empathize with the challenges of long-distance relationships. Share experiences, advice, and coping strategies with other couples navigating similar circumstances. Lean on each other for emotional support, reassurance, and encouragement during difficult times. Practicing gratitude and appreciation. In the midst of distance and challenges, it's essential to cultivate gratitude and appreciation for the love and connection shared. Express gratitude regularly for the small gestures, acts of kindness, and unwavering support received from your partner. Reflect on the positive aspects of the relationship and the growth experienced individually and as a couple. Celebrate milestones, anniversaries, and special occasions with heartfelt gestures and expressions of love and appreciation. Conclusion. Navigating the complexities of a long-distance relationship requires resilience, patience, and unwavering commitment from both partners. By embracing independence, managing logistics, leveraging technology wisely, and nurturing intimacy, couples can strengthen their bond across miles. Additionally, managing financial considerations, navigating cultural differences, seeking support, and practicing gratitude can further enrich the relationship and sustain its vitality over time. With dedication, communication, and a shared vision for the future, love can triumph over distance, fostering a profound and enduring connection that transcends geographical boundaries. Prioritizing self-care and emotional well-being. In the midst of distance and challenges, it's essential for each partner to prioritize self-care and emotional well-being. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or relaxation techniques to manage stress and anxiety associated with separation. Engage in activities that bring joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose, whether it's pursuing hobbies, exercising, or spending time in nature. Seek professional support or counseling if needed to address emotional struggles or mental health concerns effectively. Fostering trust and security. Trust forms the foundation of any successful relationship, and in long-distance dynamics, it's crucial for maintaining a sense of security and confidence in the partnership. Demonstrate reliability and consistency in actions and words to build trust over time. Reassure each other of commitment and loyalty, offering support and encouragement during moments of doubt or uncertainty. Embracing resilience in the face of challenges. Long-distance relationships are not immune to challenges and obstacles, but resilience and adaptability are key to overcoming adversity. Approach challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, viewing setbacks as temporary obstacles rather than insurmountable barriers. Maintain a positive outlook and focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems, drawing strength from the love and connection shared. Celebrate resilience and perseverance as a testament to the strength and resilience of the relationship. Setting goals and shared vision. Establishing common goals and a shared vision for the future can provide direction and purpose in a long-distance relationship. Discuss long-term plans, aspirations, and milestones, aligning expectations and priorities for the relationship. Celebrate progress and milestones along the way, reaffirming commitment and dedication to the relationship's growth and success. Embracing spontaneity and adventure. While distance may impose limitations, embracing spontaneity and adventure can inject excitement and vitality into the relationship. Surprise each other with spontaneous gestures, gifts, or visits to break the monotony and reignite passion. Embrace the unpredictability of life and relationships, finding joy and spontaneity in the journey together. Maintaining a long-distance relationship requires dedication, resilience, and a shared commitment to nurturing love and connection across miles. By prioritizing self-care, fostering trust, embracing resilience, and setting goals together, couples can navigate the challenges of distance with grace and determination. Additionally, embracing spontaneity, adventure, and shared experiences can infuse excitement and vitality into the relationship, fostering a deep and enduring bond that transcends geographical boundaries. With patience, communication, and unwavering love, couples can overcome the obstacles of distance, forging a relationship that thrives despite the physical separation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on relationship facts. See you next time.